Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a beef burger easy guide. Press chilled beef lightly into even patties and avoid overworking the meat to keep texture tender. Preheat a skillet or grill to medium-high so you get a good sear. Cook each side until a brown crust forms and internal temperature reaches 160 degrees F for safety. Rest patties 5 minutes before assembling to retain juices and improve flavor. Form patties gently and indent centers to prevent doming while cooking, keeping texture tender. Use roughly 3.5-inch width and 3-4-inch thickness for consistent doneness. Season with salt and pepper right before you place the patties on heat to preserve juiciness. Flip only once when a good crust forms to maintain moisture. Let patties rest briefly after cooking so juices redistribute for a better bite. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes and food guides anywhere, with a sharp display and long battery life, perfect for kitchen counter reference. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick one up. Now let's get back to the video. Sear patties on medium-high heat until a deep brown crust forms, flipping once for consistent cooking. Add cheese in the final minute and cover so it melts evenly while keeping juiciness inside. Toast buns briefly on the grill or pan to create a crisp barrier against sauces. Assemble with fresh toppings like lettuce, tomato, and pickles, and finish with your preferred sauce for a balanced and satisfying burger experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.